Hi, I'm Nick Locascio, and welcome to Machine Learning with Scikit-learn and Tensorflow by Pact Publishing. I'm a machine learning researcher, author, consultant, and entrepreneur. During my master's, I founded and taught MIT's first deep learning course. I've consulted with Fortune 500 companies and have authored numerous papers, books, and articles about machine learning. This course will give you an overview of machine learning techniques, models, and paradigms through a variety of different scenarios and modalities. We pair each of these lessons with a full, practical working solution notebook that bridges the gap between theory and implementation. These notebooks are invaluable resources and starting points, and I encourage you to modify, alter, and expand them to build even more innovative and novel solutions. This course begins with an overview of linear regression, the simplest machine learning model. We will cover core fundamentals of machine learning principles to give you a solid core understanding. In this section, you will build a system to rank advertisements using linear regression. In Section 2, we discuss classification problems and the many machine learning models for these tasks. We will discuss SVMs, decision trees, and random forests. Using these models, you will build classifiers for movie genres, classifiers for wine types, as well as a system to automatically detect credit card fraud. In Section 3, we will cover unsupervised learning techniques, including k-means clustering and PCA. You will cluster patients into diseases to uncover hidden structures with k-means clustering. You will also build an image compression algorithm using PCA. In Section 4, we will talk about applications in natural language processing. We will learn about n-grams, bag-of-words features, and latent Dirichlet allocation. You will build a tweet sentiment classification model as well as a tweet generator bot. Finally, you will use LDA to discover topics within news articles. In Section 5, we will introduce deep learning and convolutional neural networks. We will build image classification and segmentation models using TensorFlow and Keras. In Section 6, we will learn about recurrent neural networks and LSTMs. In this section, you will build a better tweet sentiment classifier and also a cryptocurrency price prediction bot using RNNs. In Section 7, we will discuss deep embeddings and the importance of transfer learning. In this section, you will build an analogy completion engine using word-to-vec embeddings. You will also build an image retrieval system using ImageNet embeddings. Included in the course goals is to understand the fundamental principles and models of machine learning. You will learn how to properly evaluate and test your machine learning models. Throughout this course, we will develop machine learning solutions to a variety of problems, and you will learn to effectively use Scikit-learn and TensorFlow. And finally, throughout all of this, you will develop an intuition for where and how to apply machine learning. The prerequisites of this course is a basic understanding of Python programming, as well as some familiarity with linear algebra and/or calculus.